Changing your subscription plan on RunPod is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to successfully update your plan. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the RunPod website and log in using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account associated with the subscription you wish to change. Step 2. Navigate to Account Settings. Once logged in, locate the Account Settings or Profile section. This is usually found in the upper right corner of the home page or in the main menu. Step 3. Select Subscription Options. In Account Settings, find the Subscription or Billing section. Click on it to view your current plan and available options for changing your subscription. Step 4. Choose a new plan. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use ISROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm changes. After selecting your new plan, follow the prompts to confirm your changes. You may need to enter payment information or agree to new terms. Once confirmed, you should receive a notification of your updated subscription. By following these steps, you can easily change your subscription plan on RunPod. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to customer support for assistance.